a new video.
You don't have to put the... Me pause it. You just stop it?
You stop it.
No,
What?
I paused it. You stop it.
Yeah, me stop it.
Alright, shoot a new one. Ready?
Yes, me ready.
Are you shooting?
It is shooting.
So you couldn't tell me that shoot?
It a shoot now?
Oh, right now I'm putting in...
It been shooting.
Me talk. I'm putting in some coconut oil in this pot. Alright, I put about 4 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil on the garlic. You know, because I want the garlic to start to release the flavors, yeah, of the garlic into the pot. Oh, I never showed you guys this one other ingredients that I'm no, don't show the house, because the house not really clean up. Just keep the camera up on the pot.
Sorry.
This is some smoked sausage what me get from Georgia. Georgia smoked sausage. I don't know if it's 100% good or not, because I never eat it yet. But I'm trying to make you know the seafood like a clam bake.
Yeah.
Me I go put.
I mean, I talk to now?
Yeah, me I talk to you, but me I talk to the people at the same time.
Oh, okay.
So me I go put some potato and some corn and the cob, and do everything like you know them foreign people do it.
It's corn on the cob.
Then that me say
No,
cob.
it's a corn on cob.
Then a cob.
No, a cob.
Oh, cab.
Yeah.
Corn and the cab.
Taxi that.
A taxi. So, Mayo, stop interrupting the video.
Sorry.
Alright? And the gentleman who hearing in the background is the gentleman who made the bully beef video. Yeah. So now I'm going to cut the smoked sausage. The knife is sharp enough, but it's bag tough. Yeah. So I'm going to take out the smoked sausage out of the box. I forget to have to talk English because I use about 2. Because them there, I'm going to use them scrambled egg if anything. I'm going to wash them, make sure them wash. I'm just going to saute them quickly in the aisle, you know. Because remember I said this is not the real star of the show, you know. You know, the star of the show is actually the different seafood. But as I said, I'm trying to mimic an American clam bake or seafood bake or whatever them call it, you know. A seafood boil, yeah. So, Mayo, make sure I say the pot no burn. You have to tell me if the pot is...
Mayo, want me if you cut the finger?
No, I'm not going to cut my finger because I try to do it like how the chef them on the TV do it.
Oh.
Which is to use the knife in an expertise type of way, you know?
Expertise?
Yeah, it's a very expertise type of way.
Okay.
You know,
okay.
where will not make me cut my finger.
So if your finger cut me run gone, you know?
But you have videotape.
But it done.
So I use that evidence to the police them
I was
there.
I was not here.
I'm going to tell the police you were here. Alright, so see them now? Now saute them something here into the pot. Yeah, with the garlic. Let me turn down the stove a little bit because I don't want the garlic to burn. I like how them brown right there. That's very good. Very good. My youth, I don't see why you should not dance, you know, because the food not ready yet, you know. You have videotape or something and you dance. I crave people dance when food are
because
you know.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This looks so intelligent.
Yeah, how much minutes you left on that now?
4 minutes.
That can go up on WhatsApp because you have to send it to me by WhatsApp. You know?
Yes, it can go up on.
Alright, so we're going to put some onion in now. Yeah, and me use 1 large onion, almost 1 large onion. Yeah. I remember when you cook, you have to constantly keep washing your hands, making sure that you know. Right now is a little haphazard type of cooking I'm doing, but you get the idea. See there? Hey, them sausages smell nice, don't?
Very nice.
Smell good already, you know, Mario. It smells like real food already, you know.
Me can get one?
No. It will burn you.
Make it burn me.
It will kill you. It will kill you.
You're not gonna kill me.
It will kill you. You cannot eat it. It will kill you. Yeah. And so we're gonna do that now. And then yeah, me can turn up back the heat a little bit. Cause really and truly, as I say, ladies and gentlemen, this is an experiment somewhat. I see something on the TV and I said I'm gonna try it. So this is my Jamaican seafood stew. Call it stew, right?
Like
With sausage.
like stew peas.
With smoked sausage.
Like stew peas?
No, not like stew peas.
Sorry.
This is like a seafood boil, seafood boil, but it's a stew boil. Yeah, them know me mean.
They know what I mean?
Yeah, them know me.
Like a stew boil, like soup.
The idea is to experiment, folks. It might not be your culture, it might not be something where you're used to, but experiment, you know? Because such is life. You have to just do things and try things, you know? Remember the time. Alright? Now, I'm gonna add my stone crab. And the stone crab is this type of crab where they down in the sea, where the people them catch only the claw. When you catch the crab, you take off the claw and throw him back in the water, and him grow back new claw. Cause it's a crab like that, you know. Him grow back new claw. So we use stone crab, you know, and it's just the claw them. Right, it start look good already in my youth. It look very, very intelligent already.
But my mini crab.
No, that's why we are cook onion. You can't get the onion then. Yeah, you can't get the sausage. You can't get the onion.
Because I'm not coming back
You're not coming over
here.
here.
Not coming back over here.
Alright, we miss you.
Too wicked.
But we're not balling. No. See that? That start look good already, you know. So the idea now is, so we have that I go and permutate.
That looks so good in my youth.
Yeah.
Jeez. Yeah, me I smell it.
Yes, it smells very good.
Me can taste one.
Very good. I don't know. Mine bunny, that's all I say. If you bunny, I don't know you, know.
But me have insurance.
No, if you bunny, I don't know you.
But me have insurance.
I say, if it burns you, I do not know you. Alright, let me see if we can open that container, you know, because them container, now these, as I said, these are now, are previously frozen ingredients, because you can't get the seafood all the time, not the same way, you know, certain way, right? So, these are another set of crustaceans, them called mussels, yeah, and that come in a butter sauce. No, them look like cockroachy, man.
Of course.
No, me think them are cockroach.
I see them, so me not say what I mean.
Trust me.
Me don't like what them look.
Them look very cockroachable. Now, how them do this is that them open them steam the mussels and make them open, and then them just vacuum seal them, so them look like them locked down, but them not really locked down. Cause you know, say you can't eat mussels where, you know. Well, so if you look on them, you see them open. You see it? You see it?
No, me can't.
See them open?
Yeah,
man, them open. So as soon as they eat them just rise up back, you know.
Also, me can try it. Try that one.
Where the sausage?
The mussel.
You can try the mussel inside one sausage.
No, that's too hot.
The bun me, the wine bun you. You know. So we have this. I remember me telling you, know, me not put no water in it yet, you know, ladies and gentlemen. It just farm it own little juice as it a permutate. You see?
See water you know.
See me I go put some vegetable. Put 3 little carrot and piece of celery.
A 4 carrot.
A 3.
A 4.
It's 3. I was counted.
But me count 4.
No, because you count wrong. 3 carrot and some celery. And then this is where you want this thing, you know, to start permutate the right way. So now I'm going to put some lemon pepper seasoning. Right? I'm not put no whole heap of excess amount of seasoning. I just want it to have a little permutation, you know? Yeah, that's my new word, permutate. It's a foreign word and it just simply means soak in and thing, you know?
Permutation.
Yeah, permutate. I mean, I use some Old Bay. Old Bay seasoning. Yeah? Old Bay is for seafood. Anytime you cook seafood, you have to have some Old Bay. Alright? And then, I have some original green seasoning. What I have to drop in there because green seasoning is the Caribbean, is our Caribbean seasoning. You know, the Spanish them call it sofrito.
Sofrito. And we call it safrito.
And we call it green seasoning.
No, safrito.
We call it safrito?
Yeah, because we're Jamaican.
We not call it that, you're too light.
We call it safrito.
With mayo, I never hear we call it say it.
And the African call it safrito.
Now the green seasoning is basically cilantro, culantro, onion, garlic and them little thing there, you know. And them seasoning the spices and thing and thing and thing. And you just add some green seasoning. But
Man, that look good in the
3
man.
tablespoons or 4 tablespoons, depending on
That looks so good, look there.
your personal taste. You know. And then we have to stir this one more time and then I'll add the shrimp. And the shrimp already cooked, so I don't really need, well, most of the ingredients, you know, cooked by now. You don't really need to keep it going too long. Now it have some flavor notes, some smell when I never smell yet, you know, man. Yeah, it smells some look of smell when I never smell, like some new foreign smell. Yeah, but it smells good enough.
It smells so delicious.
Hold on, never taste that juice yet. Let me taste the juice, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I'm gonna cry.
Wow.
It tastes so good.
Some can't taste the juice.
Taste the juice. What you add?
Wait, hold on. It can't be too hot.
It now go burn it. Taste the juice, my youth.
My youth, I don't want nothing to eat, just give me juice. No, man.
No, my head hurt me. It tastes good now, my youth.
But I don't feel good. It's sick.
The rest of ingredients, them, everything from the pot I come in the pot, but I have to stir it up in the juice, you know. Make sure it get well permeated.
Man, say gravy, got juice.
Oh,
yes,
in the juice.
No, gravy.
It's juice. Yeah. See, I have to put them things up here so no one take out more.
Man, the can them look so yellow, man, youth, and so beautiful.
Yeah, Usain Bolt can, you know, cause them goal.
Oh, so them fast?
Yeah.
Jeez, so after I eat it, I run fast?
Yeah.
Jeez, I'm peace.
See there?
Can't
Watch it now. Just stir it up, you know. You can stir it.
Yes. You
but
can
you cannot
stir
have
it. You can't have none.
Yeah.
Cause it done.
And so watch this now. I have to put the potato them next now. You know?
Jesus.
As I said, this is like a New England clam bake or crab bake. Sure.
Yeah,
I have to check the potato them cook. If they not cook, I now use them.
Your hand should have burned up.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, they are very well cooked. Yes, they're feeling very stupendous.
Yes.
So, all right, watch this now, yeah. We can't cut this not too down.
Yeah. No, 3.
Cause I don't really want the potato to mash out in the pot, you understand? So, that's why I don't really cut them. You know, but, yeah. I just go and do it, so. Yeah, I feel it now with my spirit.
Is it? I feel it now.
Yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna try my best to stir that pot here. Bear with me, folks. Cause my pot little. It's just a poor man thing. You know, rich people have big pot.
Right.
You know, but poor people have little pot.
Have little pot. But the food is so
It's so divine. It's supernaturally based.
My I don't feel so good in my youth.
Yeah. So I just start turn up back that stove a little bit, make everything now permeate. You know? Yeah? Get the potato them my youth, will the video good and stop shit now?
Sorry.
Yeah, see there?
Yes.
See there?
Yes.
So want it look.
So we want it look.
Right there. Yes.
Yeah.
I'm just put a little bit more.
Put a little bit more.
Old Bay. On the top.
Pon the top.
Yeah. Just fit.
Yeah. Just
you know,
fit. You know.
Create a little
Evidence
of supernatural.
in atmosphere.
Alright. Yeah. And that is it, folks. The next thing we're gonna do is them are gonna eat. You know?
What me know remember say I don't eat crab.
Oh yeah, him not eat crab, so you know. Him only get potato and can. Right?
Yeah.
Potato and can.
But me taste the crab though, but me not really eat it.
You don't need to taste it. You don't need to taste it. Dish, folks. I'm just put in a bowl. As you can see, everything come together and permeate nicely. Yeah? We have crab, we have mussels, we have shrimp, we have sausage, we have corn and potato and everything. And we're going to eat now. I can't wait. Oh, grab me blind. I'm going in. We'll talk to you later. Yardie belly, you know what? into foreign with the food that is so nice and elocucious. Yeah, that's another new word. Yeah, the plate dirty, me not care. Me ready for it. Bye. Have a full time. I don't want to. Hey, remember to subscribe and like and share and everything. And if you not have friends where, you know, want to watch it too, make them watch it. Because we love all peoples. Remember, Yardie Belly in our foreign. Cool. Bye.